Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I'm going to make this coffee cup pouch. I loved this design so much that I wanted to give it a try. I hope this video will be helpful. Now let's get started. For the pouch, I've taken 2 pieces of the main fabric, 2 pieces of interfacing, I've taken duck canvas and 2 pieces of lining fabric. All the pieces of same dimensions, 7 inches across 7 inches. Next, I am going to fold one of the interfacing pieces in half like this. And at the bottom corner, I am going to make a half-inch square like this. I'll cut it along the marked line like this. Now I am going to repeat the same steps for all the pieces of fabric. Now it's done. All the pieces are ready now. Next, on the wrong side of the main fabric, I am going to place the interfacing pieces like this and give straight stitches on the edges. Once done, it will look something like this. Next, for the handle, I've taken a fabric strip which is 2 inches in width and 9 inches in length, and the interfacing piece which is 1 inches in width and 9 inches in length. Next, on the wrong side of the fabric strip, I'm going to place the interfacing at the center like this. I'll fold the fabric on both the sides like this. Now I'll fold the entire thing again. Now I'll give straight stitches on both the sides. Now it's done. Our handle is ready now. Next, I've taken a zipper of 7 inches in length. So on one of the pieces of the main fabric, I'm going to place the zipper with its right sides facing downwards like this. Lining piece with its right sides facing downwards like this. I'm using sewing clips to keep everything in place. Now I'll give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. Now I'll give a top stitch here. Top stitch is done. Next, on the other piece of the main fabric, I am going to place the zipper with its right sides facing downwards like this. Lining piece with its right sides facing downwards like this. Now I'll give a straight stitch here. It's done. Next, I'll give a top stitch here. Top stitch is done. Next, on one of the pieces of the main fabric, I am going to mark a point 1 inches from the top and another point 1 inches from the bottom like this. And I'll place the handle on these points like this. And I'll give stitches here. Now it's done. Handle is joined now. Next, I'm going to place the main fabrics facing each other like this and the lining fabric facing each other. Here, I'm going to make sure that the seams are one on top of the other like this. Now I'll start stitching from this point and I'll give stitches on all 4 sides, leaving these 2-3 inches unstitched. Now it's done. Next, I am going to open one of these corners like this, such that their seams are one on top of the other. And I'll give a straight stitch here. Similarly, I'll do it on all 4 corners. Once done, it looks something like this. Next, through this 2-3 inches space, I am going to turn the right side of the pouch outwards like this. Lastly, I am going to push the raw edges on the lining fabric inside like this and give a top stitch here. Now it's done. Now I'll push the lining fabric inside the pouch like this. And our coffee cup pouch is ready now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.